In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set TradingView EMA indicator. By the end, you'll have the moving average exponential added to your TradingView chart, configured to your preferred length and style, with the option to apply multiple EMAs for clearer trend and crossover signals. First, open the chart. Navigate to the TradingView chart for your chosen asset. On your screen, you should see the price chart and the main toolbar along the top. Next, locate the Indicators option. Move to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel so you can search for the tool you need. Now search for the EMA. In the search bar, type EMA or Moving Average Exponential. You should see Moving Average Exponential appear in the results, usually under Technicals. Add the indicator. Click Moving Average Exponential. A single EMA line will appear on your chart immediately. You'll also see its label in the chart legend area, typically near the top left of the chart. Configure the settings. To adjust the EMA you just added, hover your cursor over the indicator's name in the legend and click the settings gear icon. This opens the settings panel. Under Inputs, change the length to your preferred time frame, such as 9, 20, 50, or 200 periods. Length controls how many bars or candles the EMA calculates over. Smaller numbers react faster to recent price changes, while larger numbers smooth the line for longer-term trends. Type your chosen number, then confirm the change. You'll see the EMA line update on the chart right away. Switch to the Style tab to improve visibility. Here, change the color to something that stands out against your chart background. Or increase the line thickness so it's easy to see when you zoom out. If the line blends into your candles, pick a contrasting color and a thicker weight. Once you're happy with how it looks, click OK to apply the changes. For multiple EMAs, repeat the process to add more lines. Open Indicators. Again, search EMA and click Moving Average Exponential to add another one. Hover over the new EMA's name, open its settings, and in Inputs set a different length, for example 50. In Style, choose a distinct color and thickness so you can tell it apart from the first EMA. Click OK to apply. Repeat this one more time if you want a longer-term EMA, like a 200. Set its inputs length to 200 and give it a unique color and thicker style. With, for example, a 50 EMA and a 200 EMA on screen, you can easily identify crossovers and broader trend direction as you watch price action. At this point, you have your EMA added, configured to your chosen length, and styled for clarity. If you've added multiple EMAs, each line should be visually distinct and labeled in the legend so you can confirm which length is which at a glance. If you need to make adjustments, hover over any EMA name, reopen settings, and tweak either the inputs length or the style options. Your changes will apply immediately on the chart. Once that's done, move your chart a bit and watch the EMA respond to recent candles. The line should track price smoothly, with shorter EMAs moving more closely with the latest bars and longer EMAs staying steadier. This confirms the TradingView EMA indicator is applied and working as expected. Your TradingView EMA indicator is now set up, clearly visible, and if you chose, multiple EMAs are added to help you identify crossovers and trends with confidence. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.